Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to make a Chinese burger. Yes, you're looking at my burger right now. This is actually a mantou. I got it from Shopee. Very easy to find this sort of mantou nowadays. Later, all I need to do is just to heat it up, steam it for a couple of minutes, then I can use it. Very spongy, very nice. Then, of course, we need to put something into the burger. This is it. I have some pork belly here. What I did was I actually blanched it, for about 10 minutes after using hot boiling water. After which I actually cut them into big slices like this, so that it can go into the burger bun easily. That's how simple it is. Yeah? But of course, later I'm going to braise the pork. So how are we going to braise the pork? Very simple, just some of the basic ingredients for any braise: ginger, shallot, garlic, and also fresh coriander roots. And then here we have 2 pieces of star anise, 1 piece of cinnamon stick, and a bit of bay leaf. And I have some 13 spice powder. If you can't find 13 spice powder, you can use 5 spice powder. And of course, Appa will be using my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder to bring the flavor even further. And if for those who are interested, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore. Let's start with making our braise. Give it 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and heat it up. Once the oil is heated up, we can add in the garlic, ginger, and also shallot, and also fresh coriander roots. And we shall saute this for a minute or 2 before we continue. We shall come back shortly. So this is after about 2 minutes sauteing. You start seeing the ingredients started to brown. Now I'm going to take out this and set it aside. Next, we're going to give it some oil, and I will put in 1 tablespoon of sugar, maybe a bit more, 1.5 tablespoon, or you can use the raw sugar, up to you. Most sugar can be used actually. So we are now trying to make the caramelized sugar. What you need to do here is you need to keep on stirring, keep on sauteing until it started to melt and also caramelize. Caramelize meaning you will start seeing it becoming some brown thick sauce. And that is the sauce we are going to use to color our pork later. Keep on stirring. See? Yes, the sugar has already melted. And next thing you will find is you're going to see the dark caramelized color started to appear. Not sure if you can start seeing some color coming out. See? Rock sugar actually have better color, I think. Don't use too high heat because it can get burnt. See? See all the brownish color coming up? Oh, too hot, too hot. I've tuned down the fire a bit. Right, see? All this brownish color, these are the kind of caramelized effect that we really wanted. And this is how we are going to color. Right, this is how we are going to color the pork using the caramelized sugar. And it will actually give it a tinge of sweetness that is going to cover around the pork belly, which is very nice. So later towards the end, we can actually put in lesser sugar already. Wow, see? The pork already turned brownish, or it's already have the caramelized color. But just be careful, it can splatter, yeah? Right, next thing, we can actually put back the garlic shallot just now, and also the dried Chinese herb, star anise, cinnamon stick, and also bay leaf. Give it a few stir. Now it's already super fragrant, let me tell you. I'm going to give it a bit of light soy sauce here. To give it even darker color, what you can do right now is actually you can give it some dark soy sauce. And if you don't want to use the sugar caramelized method, you can straight away use the dark soy sauce. Also can. But you will actually taste nicer with the caramelized sugar method, seriously. Wow, look at how beautiful it looks. Oh, oh, looks so good right now, isn't it? So appetizing. Let me double check the angle. All right. Next thing, I'm going to give it one small bowl of Shaoxing wine, some water, small bowl of water also. And we shall season it. First of all, we're going to give it some salt, a bit of light soy sauce. Still, I'm going to add a little bit of sugar. Just now we already have the sugar coated, but I'm still going to add slightly a bit more sugar here. Okay, few dashes of white pepper, some of my cooking appa chicken stock powder, and about 1 teaspoon of the 13 spice powder or 5 spice powder. And we shall bring all this to a boil. Perhaps some of you know what I'm going to do next. Once it is boiling, let's come back shortly once it is boiling. Yeah? So once it is boiling, you can cover this with a lid and tune down to medium-low heat. And we shall let it simmer for at least minimum 20 to 30 minutes, depending what kind of texture you prefer. So I'm going to steam my Chinese burger, yeah, the mantou. You can use any mantou you have. Actually, you use roti also, I think can. Up to you. There's no rules in Appa kitchen. And let's just heat it up for about maybe 5 minutes. I already defrost it. So this is after approximately close to 20 minutes simmering under medium-low heat. I just taken the lid, yeah. You can see very clearly the sauce has thickened up by itself. This is the method, Chinese cooking method called reducing, yeah. 收汁, yeah, reducing. Actually, this I translate myself. I don't know what's the real word. So anyway, the sauce is thickened up and the flavor is already gone in. But I do have to tell you, this is only about 20 minutes. So therefore, the meat, it is normal meat bite feel. It will not be tender. If you want this to be cooked until it is tender, you need minimum 1 hour. And if you cook for 1 hour, then you need to put in a lot more sauce, a lot more water, a lot more Shaoxing wine. Okay, so Appa lazy, I don't need this dish to be super tender. I like some bite feel. So 20 minutes, 25 minutes, good enough for me as long as the flavor can go into the meat itself, right? So as you can see here, how nice this is going to taste. Look at this. This is so beautiful. All right, so the dish is done. Now all we need to do is combine the burger together. Right, so we have the pork belly here, and this is our burger meat, and then our burger is here. So first thing, I'm going to take one piece of the meat. I'll take a slightly bigger one. This one I made it for myself. Alright, put inside into the middle with the skin facing outside. And then I'm going to add in a little bit of veggie. Yeah, this is lettuce. And Appa loves fresh coriander. So I'm going to add in some fresh coriander on top as well. And there you go. Here's my very simple but very yummy Chinese burger. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. This is my dinner, family dinner tonight. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.